Hey guys, it's your girl Maya. I just wanted to make an update vlog. Fix this, and then mess it up even more. I guess I'll just sit like this. Okay, hi. Update vlog. Okay, so I've really been wanting to do yoga really bad, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do it properly without my dang dong tripod. So actually I was already planning on hold on. Okay, just wanted to check how many minutes I have on this video. You know how my phone is, it times me. Anyway, I had already planned on going to my dad's house tomorrow. He has some really cool shoes for me, and also I just don't see him enough. So also I'll be able to get my tripod. So actually maybe I'll be able to do a yoga video soon, but that's also one of my favorite things to do is the yoga. Yeah, I want to continue with the 30 days of yoga. It feels stupid that I left off on day 10 and there's no videos for months, but you know, shit happens, so. Also, yeah, I'm continuing on with my Japanese word of the day, but I'm adding a little bit of flair to it. I thought about it, like, all day yesterday and today. I'm going to do, for sure, it's going to be Topic Particle Tuesdays, which won't last very long because there's a limited amount of topic particles. So, and then Double Word Wednesday. So that's going to be another special day where I'm just going to do 2 words instead of 1, just to like challenge you guys. I did say in another video that it would be like the same kanji, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'll just maybe pick like the words for left and right, or something like that. Just something cool like that. And then, of course, there's Phrase Friday, which I did today, which is really cool. One of my favorite phrases ever. Saru mo ki kara ochiru. Even monkeys fall from trees. Nobody's perfect. I love that. That's just beautiful. But, yeah. I'm going to be doing Baby Metal React videos every day. I guess doing the Japanese word of the day and the Baby Metal videos. I've been kind of lazy and not really feeling the best emotionally right now, so those are kind of like helping me to upload every day, and the Baby Metal videos are getting me a lot of views, and it's really exciting, so definitely want to keep that up. But I urge you guys to subscribe and watch my other videos as well, because, you know, I'm trying to get myself out there, and it's really cool having over 1,000 views on a video, but like, I would like to see that happen to other videos as well, but I'm not mad about it. I think it's really cool. Other things, yeah, I guess I've just been kind of lazy. I have lists of things I want to do, and some of them, I don't know, I guess I'll save them, because right now the Baby Metal is going to be like really huge, but I do want other content on my channel. Like, I want to tell you guys like my favorite music artists, my favorite movies, my favorite books. I just want to share myself with you guys, and then get your feedback, like when I'm posting a video talking about something. I don't say it. Sometimes I'll say, hey, leave a comment, but I want you to like, you know, if you feel the same way or you relate, like, let me know and let's chat. I love talking online. I'm not the best in person, but yeah, talking to people online is really great. But yeah, this is my weekend, well, kind of my weekend off because I'm off tomorrow and don't go into work until, or I don't leave for work until 3. Um, I'm sorry. 1 second. Okay, so these allergies are totally getting me. I've had a really dry cough for a while. That scared me, whatever that noise was, but whatever. But also today at work, I was emptying out, we use really big cardboard boxes for trash cans, because when you're opening things in a package, it comes in packaging, so you have to throw out the packaging. You know, it has to go somewhere, it can't go on the floor. So I was emptying it into the trash compactor, and the way I have to do it, you know, it's in my face, so, you know, I'm moving it, and the bottom of the cardboard box breaks, and it wasn't a big deal, but at the bottom of that cardboard box was a lot of, like, dust, styrofoam, just, like, all kinds of stuff, and it just went right up into my freaking nose. Like, after that I went to the bathroom, and, like, I stuck some toilet paper up my nose, and I pulled it out, and it was, like, covered in dirt, not snot, dirt. I was like, that's horrifying. But yeah, I think a lot of the dry cough is my allergies and stuff like that, but breathing in that stuff and, like, who knows what else I breathed in. I could have breathed in, like, tiny shards of glass or something. Oh god. So optimistic, but that couldn't have made it better, and also talking a lot probably isn't making it better. This sucks. Trying to lift up my blanket, didn't work. Anyway, that's also why I haven't been doing covers, is because I feel really not confident in my voice. I recorded some covers, but I don't like how they turned out, and so yeah, because the allergies are just, like, super messing with my throat, and I hate it. It makes me so mad. I've been trying to drink tea and stuff, but, like, what I need is, like, the liquid, like, congestion stuff, but it gives me really bad heartburn, so, like, I have to, like, really think, do I really want to deal with the heartburn and hope that a heartburn pill will work, or deal with the congestion? But usually I just deal with the congestion and, like, put some of that spray stuff up in my nose and hope for the best. But yeah, hopefully this weather going up and down shit will stop, because it's really messing with me. And I don't like it. Oh no. Are you okay? What happened? Okay, the microwave did something really scary. But yeah, I can't wait. I can't remember what I was saying, because, oh my god, the microwave seriously is, like, trying to explode right now. I'm not even joking. I don't think you should use it right now.
It's blowing fire out that hole.
Fire? We need a new microwave.
Yeah. Don't know how.
But yeah, forgot what I was gonna say, but I guess that doesn't matter. But yeah, so my mom's feeling better, which is great. Yeah, and I will see you guys in the next video, and hope you guys enjoy what comes next, and can't wait to see comments. Definitely comments. Come on, guys, talk to me. I'm nice. I'm very nice. I am very nice. I try very hard to be nice. I don't want to be mean to people. If people are, like, mean to me, of course I'm gonna be a total bitch, because I have that in me. That's just me. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. I love you, and my voice or not, my throat hurts so bad. So I'm done talking. Bye, guys.